Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on NOKIA G22. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down to enter system. There's gestures, and let's check how all of the features work. First one is jump to camera, and here if you want to open a camera quickly, just double tap on the power key. And this should transfer you right to the camera. Next thing is system navigation. Here you can choose to use either gesture navigations or 3 buttons navigations. If you prefer gestures, then these buttons will hide and you'll be able to navigate your phone using your finger and performing different gestures. If you prefer buttons, then select this one and you will see 3 iconic buttons on the bottom. Next is turn over to reject call. If you enable it, you can place your phone screen down to the surface to mute all incoming calls. Next is mute on pickup, and if you enable it and receive a call when you pick it up, then it should mute that call. Double tap to check phone. So if you enable it, you can lock your phone, then double tap on the screen and it should wake up just like that without pressing any power key. Lift to check phone. It works the same way as previous, only thing is that you need to lift your phone instead of double tapping. And last is press and hold the power button to launch assistant. As you can see, it also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.